Hey there, YouTube. How's everybody doing? Those of you who know me know I'm from the New England area. So we've got some heavy storms coming our way. I don't know. Right now it's looking like about a foot, but it could go up to 2 feet. In any case, this isn't new. It's something we deal with. But I've had to take a lot of time over these last couple of weeks to basically clean out my garage. I've had to get my garage situated to get my cars in, get the snowblower out, just basically start getting ready for everything. Let me show you what I've done so far. Moved my welding area. This is bay 1 that I've gotten cleaned up. And obviously bay 2. You'll notice the milling machine, well, the benchtop mill is gone. I moved that into the basement. The lathe is upstairs now. I ended up moving the bench over into the corner. This big mill I got here, basically in the middle. Let me go around front. There you go. So, still usable. Just when I know snow is coming, I'll pull the cars in, and when it's not, I'll just keep them out so I can keep working. But in the meantime, let me show you what I've done here. Don't mind the mess. Actually, let me turn the light on. Hang on. Now, as you can see, first glance, it's a bit of a mess here. But I got them in here. Basement's nice and toasty. I just got to move some stuff around. There's a hatchway there behind all those buckets. That's where all those are going to go. There's another storage room there. I got more room. Just, got to get to it. We're getting there, though. Slow but sure. We move the press in here. And here's some of the storage and the 3-in-1 machine. And of course, my next project I'll put off, my Harley. But that's about it, guys. I just wanted to give you a heads up of where I've been and what I've been doing. I know it's been a while since I posted, but just battening down the hatches, getting ready for winter. I'll have this cleaned up soon, and I've got projects piling up I gotta get going on. All right, talk soon. Have a good weekend, or whatever it is.